Hello everyone, welcome in the next tutorial. Here we are going to understand about the different available GPTs which are already available globally, which you can utilize more to understand and ready-made GPTs for designed particular applications. So we are on the screen of the chat GPT. You need to click on this new chat. So our new chat is selected. Now click on the open sidebar. Now you may have available button which is called as explore gpts. You need to click over here. On the right hand side, one thing is coming up. Now you can see that this is just a layout which I am explaining, and maybe we in this tutorial only we are going to utilize only one single part which you can use it. Okay, so you can see on the featured there are four different features are available. You also can create the videos by vid instant free ai video tool. You can see this is the heading and this is the different points for which this gpt can be useful, like canva effortlessly design anything, presentation, logo, social media post and more. Now the regarding the trending, there are the different gpts available like image generator, canva, scholar, video ai, write for me. These are the things. You can click on the see more to go into the different available GPTs. You can also utilize this astrology birth chat GPTs so that you can predict your own future. This is the way by you can utilize. So ChatGPT will be very useful to create the design, to do the R&D, also for the astrology purpose and everything. Now the GPTs which are created by this ChatGPT, which is data analysis, coloring book to hero, creating writing coach. Now regarding the writing, there are the different GPTs are available. You can also take the help of CV writing, like with this. Now we are going to have one temporary or we can trial purpose utilize one thing. Earlier we also understood about the education, right? So in that math solver GPT is available. If you click on the see more, there are different GPT plus or different GPTs are available. Now in the last tutorial we have also understood about the lifestyle. So for fitness, workout and diet and PhD, you can utilize this board. These are and also the programming like website generation, python, copilot. So these are the different website you can also create. These are the different gpts are available. I'm not going to teach you. I am requesting you to practice it by yourself so that you can understand it. Now let us go in the image generator. Okay, now you click on the start chat. Now I'm providing a prompt for generate a colorful image of a lion and elephant together with a jungle background. Also put river in the image. Frame size will be 16 raised to 9. Write text on it like lion and the elephant. I am also taking this random prompt which is for image generation. Now let us click on this button. But here it is asking like object colorful digital art of lion and elephant. Purpose is for fun. Let me clarify it, or we can say for wallpaper. Okay, and platform I am going to use for website background. Don't worry about the spelling mistake, it will directly consider right way. Okay, but instead signing in I have just typed don't use this tool. Okay, and now it is generating a image. Let us check how it is coming up. So see, yes, our image is created like lion and the elephant. Text is also written. River is also available, and it is like the wallpaper. And in the ratio of 16 raised to 9. I hope it is clear. Now, if you want to add any more animals, like add more animals like monkeys. Okay. So let us check whether it is giving or not. Now we will wait for a few minutes and our image is getting ready. Now the image is ready. You can see that rivers is also available, jungle is also available, elephants are there, lion and the elephant. So I hope this is very clear to you and you understand it well how you can utilize these explore gpt features. So probably by this way I want to teach you different available explore gpts so that you can understand it well and practice it by yourself, different available gpts for the usefulness of business and profession, financial education, and to create the website. If you have any query, please ask me. So, in this course, we have understand about the learning and education and personal life. Personal life, we have utilized the audio mode of the GPTs, and for this business, profession, financial education, and the creator website, I am requesting you to explore the different modes of GPTs, which I have discussed currently, so that you can utilize and understand it well and learn it by yourself. Thank you.